Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So today I'm again here with you all with a new video. So here you can see in this situation you can easily see that it is a bearish engulfing. So now what I can expect here, if you analyze the market here, the next level is here. Let me show you. The next level is here. Now there is a gap, so because of this gap the market has to go down and it will cover the remaining area, then we can expect a reversal. So now you can see, if I check the levels here, now you can see there is a gap. So because of this gap the market has to go down, so therefore I took my trade. Here I can get a doji or here I can get a bearish. So now you will see we will definitely win our trade. Now you can see exactly from that point now buyers are entering. As I told you that this is the next level. Now you can see from this point you can see again buyers are entering into the market. So I need a good entry point to go with the buyers. If the candle comes down, I'm going to take my trade in an up direction, but otherwise I will wait for the candlestick. Okay, so now I need to analyze the market again. Okay, so after this candlestick, can I go here with the buyers or sellers? I will decide. Okay, so after this candlestick I can easily go here with the sellers. Now I have taken my trade here in a down direction. You will see the market will come down here. Why? Because you can see it is a strong candle and now we can expect here a seller's entry. So here are few rules to follow, and that rules will be in my course. So okay, I need, yes, it has to go down. Okay, no issues. So my prediction is only for the bearish candlestick. So now you will see the bearish candlestick will be formed here. Now I need to check another market. Now if you analyze the market here, okay, after this candlestick can I go here with the buyers or sellers? Yes, you can see buyers are trying to enter into the market. So if your analysis are strong, you will always be in profit. So now you can see I won this trade. So again the candle opened with a big gap, no issues, I need to follow. Okay, so I need to go here with the sellers, but I will wait. Yes, market is getting the rejection. Okay, so after this candlestick I'm going to decide whether to go with the buyers or sellers, because I'm not following any level here. So let's see. Okay, my prediction is for the bullish candle. Now you will see again buyers will enter. Why? Because you can see here this is a buyers area, and now you can see buyers already entered here. Now they want to go up and market closed exactly at the buyers area. So now what I can expect, now buyers shifted from this point to this point, so we can expect here a green candlestick. So let's see, and I am pretty much confident that the next candle will be a bullish candle. So let's see. Okay, yes, market is trying to go up. Okay, so I won my trade here. Now Now what I need to do is I need to go here with the sellers. Okay, I took my trade here in a down direction. Now you will see I analyzed the market suddenly, and now you can see market went down. Why? Because you can see here this candle will go down, because I already am seeing here a rejection. So if I see these areas like this, then what can I do? I can smile easily, because I will win this trade. So you can see market is trying to go down. So in this time, right now, currently, I cannot trust any formation here, because market can go up, market can come down. So let's try to find another opportunity. Now I can go here with the rejection strategy. I took my trade here with the rejection strategy. So for that we have few rules, so I followed all these rules. So now you can see market is a ranging market. Now I can trust the rejection strategy here, and now you can see what's going on. Market is going in our direction where we took our place and the order. So now you can see market is going in that area where we took the trade, and now because of rejection strategy, it doesn't matter if it closes as a bullish or bearish, you will definitely win your trade. So now you can see this is a rejection strategy. Okay, so now can I go here with the sellers? Again I took my trade in a down direction. Now you will see the market will again go down, and again I will win my trade. So at the same time I am following here my formation strategy, I am following here rejection strategy, I am following here breakout strategy, I am following here ranging market strategy, I am following here a continuation strategy. So therefore you can see I am winning all my trades. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment, and if you have any queries you can join our channel on Telegram, Trading Skills, and you can share these videos, because these things no one will provide you in courses. So this is how you can win each and every trade. So now I want to show you here I took my trade here. Why? Because you can see I took two trades. I took one trade here with the rejection strategy. I won my trade here. Then what happened? I saw that this candle is a strong candle making a new low. What happened? Market went down. I took second trade here. So here what I did, let me show you here. You can see the market movement was an up move. So now you can see what happened here. After this strong candle, we know that after breakout of a strong level, the strong candle is a sign of reversal. So therefore next candle went down. So therefore I took my trade. Now you can see again, you can see market was a ranging market, and in this area I took my trade here with the rejection and with a formation strategy. Therefore market went down. So let me show you here. Now you can see how do we know that market will go down. Although if you remember one concept, that there is a momentum, there is also a momentum, then one single candle cannot stop the force of this momentum. So this thing happened, but now what happened here, it made a new high. So it means that now I'm seeing here a kind of formation. By formation I mean that my new strategy where I can easily predict that the next move will be an upward move. So therefore I want this trade. So that strategy will be in my course. So I will announce those perfect and easy strategy course within almost 1 month. So be ready for that. So now you can see here, how could I know that the market will go up only in this area? Because you need to follow few things here. There are few short rules you need to follow. There is no need to follow many things, you need to follow only few things. Okay, you will see that okay, these are the 3 points. I am getting all these three points. So what will you get here? You will be in profit almost 95% of your trades. So if you follow all these, you will be always in profit. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. Stay blessed you all, and don't forget to share and subscribe. And if you have any queries, you can join our trading skill group. The link will be in description. So stay blessed you all. Bye for now. Take care.